Hi guys, coming straight into the video. So this video is regarding to show you the super macro option while using a mobile camera or any other digital devices. So try to tap on the camera and focus on the object very nearer to the lenses. Okay, so the result will be like this. So in this time you just see this symbol which is like flower, just on it and try to focus now. So this is how the result look. Okay, if you try it off, this is the result. Okay, if you on, you can see the best result. Okay, so which will be help you to do some different special thumbnails for your YouTube or any other things which are special to you. Okay, so that's the use of this super macro option, so which can able to shoot at a distance of 1 to 1.5 inch object. Okay, so that's it regarding to this video guys. Hope this video to help you some extent. Catch you next video. Until take care, bye bye.